Alright guys, we had to take a freaking break to just admire this view. You guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go back this way. Yo, let me show you guys.
Eventually.
Starving our van. How far is it to get to Coca-Cola? Hey, what's up, guys? You know, we're here, we live. We just walking, chilling. You know what I'm saying? We gotta get away from Van Nuys for a bit and take in the beautiful palm trees, the weather, the sun, okay, you know, and all that. You know what I'm saying? I was about to say, where the palm trees? It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Right there, bro. Right there.
Welcome back to another segment of How Salvi Are You? To make the harina of the pupusa, what does it take?
My second water.
My second water, is that right?
And you forgot the salt.
Wah.
We're about to go over there. My boy Bert's gonna go and take some nice pictures, you know, for his Instagrammies.
I have a good Instagram poster.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that montage. I apologize if the sun is in my face, but we're here, we're enjoying the just calmness, the nice breeze, and the sun here of Los Angeles, Santa Monica Pier to be exact. And you know, everybody's just chilling. Look at that sun. Look at that water. Look at just looking. We're about to leave. I think that's the end of this pretty much trip. We're going to have Pollo Campero one more time before we leave, and we're gonna go chill with the fams a little bit more. But pretty much that's the end of this trip, but I'm not gonna end it here because I'm pretty sure there might be a little bit more, so check you guys out later.
So be old boy from Toronto, come to Santa Monica. It's a blessing.
When you come to Los Angeles
Straight.
and they know how to spell your name, what? Pacific Park, that's right. $15 for a funnel cake. But it's gonna be churro funnel cake with strawberry and ice cream from this joint over here. What's going on, you guys? I don't know where I left off this video, but it looks like our trip here to Los Angeles is coming to an end. We're just here chilling. pretty much, I'm gonna say 95% packed. Our flight leaves tomorrow at 8 in the morning. So we're gonna have to leave here at 4 to get there on time, leave the rental and all that good stuff. But I wanted to just thank the people that chilled with us and, you know, just spent time with us. We appreciate it. Last words, Isaac?
We'll be back eventually.
Bert?
You know, in life, things have to end, you know what I'm saying? So this trip ended pretty quick, but we'll be back. Then thank you to Renee's family. Thank you for everything. Made me feel welcome and made me feel like I was home. I have a second home, you know what I'm saying? So appreciate that, man. We'll see you guys in Toronto, eh? Guys better come.
Yeah, like you said, it ended on a good note. We had a good time. It was too short. For us Canadians, the weather was pretty insane. We enjoyed the sun. We enjoyed the cool weather. Hope you guys enjoyed this series. Pretty sure there's gonna be at least 5 videos out there soon, or you've already seen 5 videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you enjoyed this last one, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Yeah, until next time, I'm not sure where I'm at in terms of Vloguary when this video is up. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this was your boy RC Martinez. Se me cuidan, be good. See you guys next time. Peace. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy RC Martinez.